LinkedIn has over 675 million monthly active users, and 4 out of 5 of these users are high-level decision makers. If you're currently not leveraging LinkedIn to grow your brand or business, now is the perfect time to get started. Hey everyone, Stewart here. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use LinkedIn for business. I'm also going to break down our top 7 LinkedIn marketing strategies to generate more leads and grow your brand and business in 2020. Now, just quickly, if you're new here today, consider subscribing to stay updated with new and actionable videos just like this one, designed to help your small business thrive online. And with that said, let's head over to my computer and let's jump into our top 7 LinkedIn marketing strategies. Okay, now the first LinkedIn marketing strategy that we want to cover today is about optimizing your description and keywords. Now this is going to help people find your business or your brand and find your profile on LinkedIn. Now what do I mean by this? Well, what you want to do is you want to add keywords that are about your business. So for example, if I was in digital marketing, I'd have Facebook ads, I'd have SEM, SEO, search engine marketing, and different keywords related to digital marketing. I'd also have web design and other related keywords. Now what you want to do is add your keywords up here. This is going to help with the LinkedIn search engine. If people are looking for specific keywords related to what they're after, your profile will pop up. So what you want to do is add your keywords in here, and then you also want to add them down here if your intention is to essentially help others find your profile online. So how is this beneficial? Well, if, say for example, I'm looking for someone that's an expert in Facebook ads, I could type in Facebook ads up here and click enter, and then what I'll do is I'd come across here and select locations and add my location, because I want to find someone that's within my region that I want to connect with and help me with Facebook ads. So I'll type in my region here and I'm going to select Bay of Plenty, New Zealand, and click apply. And as you can see, a whole bunch of relevant profiles have appeared for the keyword Facebook ads. As you can see, I've typed it up here, I added my region here, and these are the profiles that have Facebook ads in their description. And as you can see down here, social media strategist, Facebook ads specialist. So these are the type of people I want to connect with, I want to reach out to and see if we can do business together. So make sure your initial description just under your name is compelling and it has keywords related to the business you're in or the services that you provide. And professionals seeking your expertise will be able to find you on LinkedIn. So make sure you optimize your description for keywords. The second LinkedIn marketing strategy that we want to cover today is your call to action or your message on your cover photo. So as you can see up here, if someone lands on my profile, they can see exactly what I do. Web design, SEO, digital marketing. We provide digital solutions for local business. Then I have my website, I have my social media links down below. And this is going to allow your profile to communicate exactly what you do or what your business does. Now this is the same for your company page or company profile that you create through LinkedIn, which we'll talk about in the next LinkedIn marketing strategy. So make sure you have a professional profile picture, and above that you want to have an impactful cover photo that has either a call to action or your message. Also, if you can, add your links down below. Now it's important to make your cover photo mobile and desktop responsive. So as you can see here, it's desktop responsive. I also want to make it mobile responsive because 50% of the traffic on LinkedIn is coming from mobile devices. So create your cover photo so it's responsive on both mobile and desktop, because that's where a lot of professionals are searching on LinkedIn. And remember, 4 out of 5 of the professionals on LinkedIn are in a position of high level decision making. Now what you can do, rather than going to a professional or a designer to get a cover done for you, you can head over to canva.com and use the pre-made layouts and templates and start customizing professional layouts. It's free to use, canva.com, and it's very user friendly for those with zero experience. So check out canva.com if you want to create a cover photo for your LinkedIn profile or your company profile. And this leads us on to the third LinkedIn marketing strategy, which is to build and leverage your company profile. Now, if you don't already have a company profile, this is a must because it can work hand in hand with your personal profile. Again, what you want to do is set it up similar to the way that you've set up your profile, your personal profile. Make sure that you have a compelling cover photo as well as a profile picture, and then add all your details into the description as well as in your title. The great thing about your company page is you can create posts just like your personal profile. And what you can do down here is you can actually invite your connections on your personal profile to follow your company page. And again, that's just going to build your brand and build your awareness and create a following on LinkedIn. This is great for connecting both your personal profile and your company profile together when you're creating posts, and we'll talk about that a bit later on as an independent LinkedIn marketing strategy. The fourth LinkedIn marketing strategy that we want to cover today is outreach with video. Now, when you want to connect with someone on LinkedIn, one of the key ways to do that through outreach marketing is through LinkedIn, however, using outreach with video. So for example, if you find someone that you want to connect with and you can provide value to them and they can also provide value to you, you want to message them but with a personal message, a message that can relate to that individual. People don't just want to see a generic sales message. People love it when you actually put in the energy to create a custom and personalized message tailored to that individual, but also create a video. Now, it doesn't have to be the highest quality video, okay? You don't have to be a video editor. You don't need any experience when it comes to creating video. All you need to use is your phone's camera, and you can create a custom tailored video that you can send directly to that individual that expresses exactly why you're connecting with them. Now, you can also create that video and upload it to YouTube, which is what we've done, and it can be a more generic video that communicates your message, communicates your brand and business and why you want to connect. And then the message that's part of the video that you're sending to individuals, you tailor that specific message to that individual. But with video, it's fantastic because it's more engaging than any other form of content. So create a video with your phone, make it tailored, make it personalized, and essentially this is a great way to generate more leads and grow your business. The fifth LinkedIn marketing strategy that we want to talk about today is leveraging your company page with your profile page. So for example, with your company page, what you can do is you can share your profile post. So as you can see here, I've created a post under Stewart H. Gauld under my personal profile, and then what I've done is I've shared it with our company page, and that's going to help increase exposure and help complement both your company page as well as your personal profile. So you can use both your company profile and your personal page to complement each other in terms of growing your brand awareness and solidifying your credibility. Because if you're creating content on your personal profile or you're creating content on your company page, you can link them together and people will realize that, oh wow, okay, this is their company, this is the company they work for. It builds up that authority and credibility in the eyes of your audience. So the key here is to leverage both your personal profile and creating posts, articles, adding videos and creating engaging content, as well as sharing that on your company profile and vice versa. If you create content on your company page, make sure you share that on your personal profile. So make your company page and your personal profile work hand in hand together. And now we want to move into market research. So this is researching your market, identifying people you want to outreach to. So this is looking for individuals that have relevance to your business, those you want to connect with or those that you want to outreach and sell to. So market research is extremely important and it's very powerful, especially when it comes to the LinkedIn platform. You can find exactly who you want to outreach to. For example, we are a digital media and marketing company and we work with small businesses. So what I could do on LinkedIn is find small business owners and reach out to them and show them what services and value we can provide to them. So for example, if I come up here and I type in small business owner, we have it already down here, so we'll select that. We can come across here and click people. And then what we can do is come over here and click on all filters and we can define our audience even further. So for example, we can select a specific location. So for example, for us, we want to select New Zealand because we want to help small and local businesses within New Zealand. Then you can come down here and you can select industries, past companies, current companies, schools, services that they provide. For example, if you're targeting a specific industry or specific business service type, then you can come down here and select that. But for now, we're just going to select New Zealand, and the keyword we're using is small business owners. Then we're going to hit apply. Then as you can see down here, we've got individuals that are owners at small businesses. So we've got this person here, down here, small business owner, connecting business owners, not that person. Here we go, owner, manager, small business owner, small business owner. And as you can see, all these people down here are small business owners, and I can connect with them. And then remember, like we talked about before, I could send a personalized message that has a video that explains how I can provide value to these small business owners, or how I can provide value to this organization. And that's a powerful way to undergo market research and find individuals that you want to connect with, that you want to sell to, that you want to reach out to. So market research using LinkedIn's platform is very powerful for identifying and finding decision makers within businesses that you want to reach out to, that you want to connect with. And last but not least, one of the marketing strategies, the LinkedIn marketing strategies we want to talk about, is leveraging video on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is pushing video content, mainly because video is more engaging than any other form of content. So what you want to do with LinkedIn is start publishing videos. Now, you don't just want to share videos from Facebook, share links from YouTube. You want to actually break down your video and upload the raw file onto LinkedIn. And that's going to push your video to capture more attention. You're going to get more views on your video, and it's a great way to create that exposure and engagement on your video. So when it comes to that, what you can do is create a compelling, obviously, description, and then if you have a large video, you can upload that large video onto platforms like YouTube, and you can add the link that takes people to the entire video. But you do not want to just share the video onto LinkedIn. You actually want to upload a raw file. So what I've done here, we use this strategy, which is called micro content. And what we do is we break down macro content, so large video formats, and we break that down into about a 1-minute video, and then I link the full video back to YouTube. So if people want to, then they can click the link. But again, having video, the raw file uploaded to LinkedIn, you're going to get more views, you're going to get more engagement, and LinkedIn's going to push your content, and that's going to help you with more exposure and potentially more leads and business in the future. And there we have it, guys. That is it for today's video. Let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments, and if you got value out of this video, then please leave a like down below. And with that said, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.